With the in-depth development of the industrial era, the innovation of forging equipment technology has played a crucial supporting role in the improvement of the country's equipment manufacturing and parts manufacturing technology. It has become a must-have skill in the context of the country. This program especially goes to Xuzhou DAYI Heavy Forging Technology Company Limited to comprehend how they break through technical barriers and make contributions to the development of the forging equipment industry. Xuzhou DAYI Heavy Forging Technology Company Limited is a national high-tech enterprise integrating the scientific research, development, production, and trade of hydraulic press. During the development process of more than 20 years, DAYI Heavy Forging has actively integrated domestic and foreign advantageous innovation resources, established a perfect hydraulic press product research and development production line, and further promoted the rapid development of forging equipment technology.
我是90年大学毕业之后进入断崖行业，已从事液压机制造30多年，在国企改制时走出来，创办了DAYI断压公司，也是想为中国重型液压机行业的发展尽自己的绵薄之力吧。
Craftsmanship builds quality, integrity builds brand. DAYI Heavy Forging has more than 60,000 square meters of professional workshops. It is equipped with more than 10 large floor boring and milling machines of Czech Skoda, W200 HD, and domestic famous brands. More than 40 other large-scale, high-end production equipment. Cover forging, stamping, extrusion, stretching, swing rolling, and other forming processes in all around the way. It can produce 32 series of more than 1,000 kinds of hydraulic presses, including forged automobile covers, interior parts, axle half shafts, wheels, petrochemical pipe fittings, etc. The maximum tonnage can reach 40,000 tons. More than 1,600 enterprises, such as FAW, CSIC, Nanhua Petrochemical, CRRC, Zhongnan AVIC, Dongfeng Motor Group, China Arms Shanghai, Baosteel Group, Dongdian Corporation, Shugong Group, Luoyan, Yitua Guizhou Aerospace, AVIC Excellence Body Precision Forging have provided more than 4,000 sets of products and services, which have won the trust of customers.
我们向全体员工进行产品质量教育，树立精益求精的工作态度，加强自检和专检结合，把产品质量作为企业生命线，强化质量管理，对客户负责，对市场负责。
Innovation is the cornerstone of the long-term development of the enterprise. DAYI Heavy Forging has a professional R&D team with a reasonable structure and wide range of fields and high level of technology to carry out R&D around forging technology. It regularly organizes scientific researchers to various universities and scientific research institutions to carry out research and exchange projects and cooperation.
我们公司重视科研方面的投资，重视科研人才的引进，成立了重型压力机研究中心，瞄准世界液压机前沿科技，重点研发市场专精大型液压机，取得了较好的成绩。
Along the way, DAYI Heavy Forging Company Limited has won more than 130 national technology patents, 5 Jiangsu High-Tech Product Certification, ISO 9001 Quality Management System, and Intellectual Property Management System certification, and the National High-Tech Enterprise, Chinese Military and Civilian High-Tech Private Enterprise, Jiangsu Specialized, Special and New Small Giant Enterprise, Jiangsu Technology-Based Small and Medium-Sized Enterprise, Xuzhou Digital Forging Equipment Engineering Technology Research Center, Xuzhou High-End Forging Forming Equipment Engineering Research Center, and a series of others qualifications and honors, have also reached an industry university research cooperation relationships with Tsinghua University, Hefei University of Technology, Huazhong University of Science and Technology, Jiangsu Normal University, and other universities. It is a postdoctoral innovation practice base in Jiangsu Province, an enterprise graduate workstation in Jiangsu Province, and an employment internship base for college graduates in Xuzhou.
我们继续研发扩大液压机适用领域，为客户提供一站式解决方案，往专精特新方向发展，成为高端装备制造标杆性企业，为引领行业发展不断努力。
Equip national enterprises to serve global customers. Future DAYI Heaven Forging Company Limited will continue to adhere to the operation concept of pursuing excellence without limit, continue to deepen the field of forging equipment, build a benchmark enterprise in the industry, and at the same time have an international perspective. Future enterprises will optimize the layout of international trade, strengthen the construction of an international marketing network, and strive to open up trade channels in Europe, America, Japan, South Korea, Southeast Asia, South America, and other regions to win the trust of the world with the concept of excellent product quality, integrity, and service for China's forging equipment industry. Contribute to the development of globalization.